Hey guys, today we have a review of brand new from Xiaomi store Poco M3 Pro 5G in 2022. So I just got it for 195 bucks. The price is really good for now. So of course we have already M4 Pro, but price is much higher. So let's see how this phone works and how it looks like right now. So I have a box like this from Mi 3 Pro. I also got case. So the case looks like this from Colorway firm. I bought it with a phone for $7. So it's quite good case. Black one. Just a regular case for around $6. So it's good. And let's put it away and move back to our phone. So Poco M3 Pro 5G version. So what we have here. Nothing special, just let's open the box then. Okay, it's quite hard to open. Boom! So here you have Poco, it's everything yellow, looks not bad actually. Then you can quite handy to do it that way. So let's open and see what's inside. So you have opener for CD slot, for slot for SIM card, you have warranty card. You have stickers from Poco. Even from Xiaomi don't have the stickers. Everything you need, nothing you don't. So basically they expect that you can stick it everywhere, so just leave it for now. Also you have some instructions, some user guide, warranty cards, so nothing interesting. And case, yes, finally they still put the cases here, so that's a really good sign from Xiaomi, from Poco company. It's just regular case, transparent one, so if you compare it with the black one, of course the quality is not that high, but still you hear the sound, so maybe it will you can keep it for a longer time, let's say, yes, than previous one from Xiaomi. Okay, also we have a phone itself. Let's put it here for now. And you have USB cable, of course Type-C cable, white one, okay, just regular cable. Have charger, Europe charger, and it's quite heavy. So it supports fast charging, I guess. Yes, it supports fast charging. I don't know whether you see what I'm showing to you right now. It's fast charging up to 22.5 watt max. I say, remember this phone supports 18 watt. Yeah, it's written here. 18 watt, it's 500 mAh battery, so it's still quite fast, and even this one you can use for some other phones or for your tablet to charge. So that's good that they still put it with a phone. Okay, for phone itself, it's a MediaTek Dimensity 700 with dual 5G, so 7nm high performance processor, 90 Hz Full HD Plus dot display with 6.5 inch dynamic refresh rate switching. Also we have 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging and 48 megapixel triple camera with macro and deep lenses. Okay, so let's open it and see how it looks like. Basically that's it. So the design is quite nice. You have some model name here, M2103K19PG, designed by Poco. So the design is quite nice. As you see, it's good. You can see yourself even here. It's just showing the light. Also, triple camera and design looks nice. You have a dual tone flashlight. You have, I don't know what this kind of sensor, just red dot here. So also some other like 360 sensor, proximity one. So you have the speaker. I think you have regular speaker here, maybe it's even stereo. And on top you have IC port, AR port, 3.5 millimeters still. And I think just a hole for a speaker. You have pre-installed here cover, that's also quite nice. You have camera here, you have Type-C port, you have microphone and from the right side you have power control button with built-in sensor for your fingerprint sensor, and here is just control of your control of the volume. Okay, let's put this one here. Let's open and see how it looks like. Our SIM cards load. I cannot find right now actually. Oh, okay, I found it. The stick here. Okay, let's open it and see. For now you have combined slot, so you can put microSD card plus one SIM card or two SIM cards. Of course you can modernize it and change, like stick your SIM card to a micro USB, of course, to a micro SD, but still, in previous version you had two SIM cards separately, and separately you had one micro SD slot. So basically it's some downgrade from previous version, but still, yeah, you can adjust to it. Okay, let's put it back. Let's put everything out, and I will zoom a bit, even more. And let's turn it on. First, turn in. It should be pre-installed MIUI 12.5 enhanced. So you see Poco powered by Android here. So it's downloading MIUI animation, even with sound. Yeah, see here it has stereo sound. So the screen 6.5 looks quite nice. Okay, 12.5, choose a language. Of course, we will choose English. You see, there are so many languages supported by Xiaomi company. Okay, let's choose English. Okay, Ukraine, doesn't matter that much. I agree. Checking for SIM cards, skip the step. Wi-Fi. Okay, I will connect to my Wi-Fi right now. So basically, you will not see the password itself, but okay, the phone is quite light actually, it's less than 200 grams. Yes, connected to Wi-Fi. Getting your phone ready. This will take a few minutes. Basically, the design I really like, 6.5 inch, so looks quite modern, quite light. Let's try to put a case on it. Even with a case, it's still not that big. Okay, let's put this out. So basically, yeah, it looks good. Looks good. Copy date, I don't copy. Just a second, so it's setting up still. So in a case, yeah, it's still a bit moving when you put it on a table. It's not good because the camera is bigger in a case, but still maybe with this case it will be better, I think, yeah. But anyway, yeah, this freaky. Okay, this skip for now. Skip. So camera, interesting to check this out. What the camera is here, location, allow scanning, accept. So never mind. Okay. Google Pay, pre-installed. Yes, it's also good that you have NFC here, so you can make payments all around the globe using your phone. So that's also quite good to have in such a cheap phone, to have the sensor. Okay, so still loading, getting your phone ready. So I will just briefly review the settings, briefly have some trial pictures, trial videos, and think we can done with this. It's loading fast, it's still working perfectly. That's my second phone like this, so I made already many tests. And now in 2022 it should update to MIUI 13 by default. So when I install it, I think when I click get update, I will get it definitely. The MIUI 13. Android should be Android 12. For now it's Android 11, but with MIUI 13 I should get Android 12 as well. So that's by the way how it looks like from backside with this case. So actually I think it's good. Here, fingerprint sensor. I have my Mi 10T Pro. The fingerprint sensor similar to this one, or even the same, works perfectly. So basically, and design is much better than putting it somewhere on the back. So I prefer to have it from the right side. It's really convenient to use it that way. Camera hole is not as small, not that big. Let's say, yeah, it's just regular one. Okay, this one we skip. So many automatic system that personalized ads, user experience, turn off. Okay, setup complete. Loading apps. So it's global version, of course, it's not Chinese one. It supports 5G bands all around the globe. Let's see what they put here on the box. Meanwhile, it's loading. Okay, they don't indicate which bands it support, but still should support all the major bands. Okay, so we have Poco Launcher here. Looks quite nice actually. More or less like on Windows phone, like Android, like stock Android. So let's go to the settings, about phones, updates. So we have enhanced MIUI 12.5 enhanced. So still it doesn't offer MIUI 13. I don't know why. Okay, let's upgrade it anyway. So it's March 2022 security update. Maybe it will offer me after this MIUI 13. Security update from September. Here you have 12.5.2 global, and occupied storage is 16 by default, so you still have left around 40 gigabytes, even a bit more than 40, almost 50. Yeah, it's just by default, so you have already some apps pre-installed. I think you can just simply remove them. Netflix. Okay, you cannot even. No, you can install it. Okay, that's a good one. So I can uninstall all the apps that you don't need. Basically works quite smoothly. It works quite fast. Let's go just briefly through System Apps Updater. I think also you'll find so many updates here. But let's see. Oh, alright, it's also so many. Delete all, update all. Alright, FM. Still FM radio is here, so it's a good one. Okay, so you also have Google Dialer, so it's all pre-installed from Google, SMS and other options, Play Store, of course. You have this Poco Launcher, you have Google Pay pre-installed, Google One, and other things that you can just simply remove, download Compass and other apps. So let's go one more time to the settings, check the Android version. So Android 11, octa-core maximum 2.2 GHz, 4 GB of RAM. Alright, that's it. Yeah, Android 11 with MIUI 13, it should come Android 12. Okay, for lock screen, just briefly review the settings. Something special is here, seems no. So display, you have dark mode, you had refresh rate, so you can set just 90. It works really smooth, really good. Brightness level automatically. Schedule dark mode, also good sounds and vibration. So let's check how touch is working here. I think it just has regular vibration one, so it will even not adjust any settings. So here from left from right, similar to all MIUI. Password, battery. So basically special features, nothing special is here. But still it's very smoothly to work, and it works really good, I think. Okay, let's check the camera, and I think we can finish with this one. Okay, I will put some, I don't know, some case cover here, and make some trial photo while using the app. Okay. So let's use our main camera, photo done, and let's make a video. 1, 2, 3, test of the video of the Poco M3 Pro. Basically that's zoom, x2, 1, stabilization. Alright, focus is quite fast actually, and sound, 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Also, what else we have here? We have other cameras. So if you click here, we have macro camera. I will not test it out, it's just useless thing, but still it's here. Portrait, so during the portrait I think some second camera using to create dips effect. So basically it's only two cameras here, the third one they installed just for marketing purpose, and still this phone is a really good option if you need something cheap. You can buy it right now for 190 bucks. I really recommend this phone if you don't need that to spend, if you don't want and don't need to spend that much money. It's much better compared to other like Samsung or LG brands that price is higher and the quality is similar and the characteristic even worse than this one. So really recommend to buy. You have everything by default that you need. You have cable, you have charger, you have case, even you have screen protector, so it's really good option and definitely worth to buy in 2022. So guys, that's it. If you need to ask me some question about this phone, leave your comments below. Also I have review on my channel of MIUI 13 on my other phone, Mi 10T Pro. If you're interested in it, also leave your comment below or just check the description. You will find the link here. And thank you for view and see you next time.